The goal is to keep these videos pretty short, so let's jump right in and show you what's going on. We won't bury the lead. The big exciting news over the last couple of weeks is we have come down below that 7% handle. Most loans that are being originated across the industry right now start with a 6 handle. So that's exciting. Again, something that you can talk positively to your clients about. And at the same time, let them know that, hey, as rates get more convincingly below 7% and into the mid or lower sixes over the coming year, that is going to drum up buyer demand and likely push prices higher. Okay. So that being said, we are not out of the woods yet. What you can see here is, again, mortgage-backed security chart shows prices. So high is lower rates and low is higher rates. We continue to have a hard time breaking through these levels of resistance. Okay. So what are we going to need to get through that? We are going to need continued weakening employment and inflation data. So not time to celebrate just yet. We're headed in the right direction. We're seeing some progress, but we need to continue to see softening employment. That's what we heard from the Fed last week. Governor Chris Waller came out and said, hey, I think we're headed towards a soft landing, but we're going to be looking for the data over the next couple of months to buttress this view. And so he says, well, we don't believe we are there yet. We are getting closer to the time when a cut in the policy rate is warranted. At this point, the markets are baking in a Fed rate cut in September. So what we're really going to be looking for is what's the data show between now and then to indicate how aggressive they can be, both in their language and in their rate cutting posture over the especially Q4. Okay. All right. So that being said, what's coming up next? We have a really busy 7 days from this Friday through the end of next week. PCE, personal consumption expenditures, is the Fed's favorite reading of inflation. That comes out on Friday, so that will be a market mover. And then next week on Wednesday, we get the Fed meeting and rate decision. And then it's jobs week. So Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, there is really critical data coming out. So big market movers over the next 7 days from Friday to Friday. And then I'll be in your offices Tuesday and Thursday the next week to break it down for you. So we will continue to bring this data in between sales meetings. Awesome spending time with you all over the next couple of weeks. Looking forward